My name is Jorge Gonzalez, and I'm the president for FalconSure Insurance Agency out of Laredo, Texas. We're owned by Falcon Bank, got 19 branches, and been doing insurance since 1983. And I've been running the insurance agency for the last 10 years. I've been using Nexsure for the last 4 years. We were with a previous company, a larger company, who I was with for 10 years, and they didn't have any of the capabilities that Nexsure has. Our agency uses the Nexsure insurance platform on a daily basis, and I cannot survive without Nexsure. The service automation is what really has made it worthwhile to use you guys, all the service automation. The agency management system that I had before was very complicated and just a lot of bells and whistles, and Nexsure I have found to be easier to use. The transition was hard, but it was made easy with Nexsure. Having your people even come down and be at our agency for about a week. Nexsure is my lifeblood. If I don't have Nexsure, in fact, for my disaster recovery plan, I have to be up in 24 hours, otherwise I won't make it. I'll lose money. As long as I have a computer, if my building burns down, God forbid, I go next door and I turn on my computer and I'm up and running. I think Nexsure has helped me be more focused. Like I said, I had another software that I wasn't utilizing, and I was paying a lot of money for it. Nexsure, I'm using the reporting more. The service automation is the thing I like best because it really helps me communicate with my customers so that they know when their policies are renewing, and there's more touches. So that's what I think is really worth what I'm paying for Nexsure. I really think the team is first class. It's as simple as sending an email when you have a support question. The other thing is the user group. The user group is great because your competitors aren't going to tell you, how to use the system or whatever, or what works or what doesn't work. But through the user group, you really learn a lot. There's a lot of networking, and again, the people at Nexsure, they make you feel at home, and they're really, really very good about answering any questions and getting back to you and making sure that your question was really answered.